Okay, good day to you all. How have you been? Welcome back to class. Today we're going to be talking about image tag, we're going to be talking about audio tag, we're going to be talking about video tag. So I'm going to be talking about these three tags. But remember, before we get into this point, we talked about something. We said your videos, your audios should be in the folder that you created. The folder you created, that's the my HTML folder you created on your desktop. This is my desktop, and this is the folder. So I have included the audio I want to insert, I have included the picture I want to insert, and I also have included the video with which I want to insert. So I have included all of these things, and I'm going to be inserting it one after the other. So for the image, you have what we call the image tag. You have it looking as this. That's the image, then the source, the picture I want to insert, which is the happybirthday.jpg, that's hbd.jpg, and also the alt, that's the alternate text, or that's the alternative text description of the image. In case the image does not load on time, you have pix, pix, as what would be displayed therein. Then I've also included the width, which is 400 pixels, and also the height, 600 pixels. So I duplicated it in 3 places so that you can see the effect with which it's going to have. So on saving this now and running it, just come here to refresh. You see the picture. Look at it. This is the picture I made this up, and the picture is popping up already. Now the picture is 3 because I duplicated it to be 3. If I want it to be smaller than this, all I need to do is to go back to this point and reduce the size. I'll just work on the size here, either the width and the height. That's what I'll just work on there. If your pictures are low, I mean the size of your pictures are low, it would make your website very responsive. But when you have a very heavy picture, it would waste your client's time, and they will not be able to get the result from your site. So that is how to include image. So for the audio, now let's go to inserting of audio. Let me insert audio here also. Let me insert the audio. Now remember I said I have included the audio already in the file. So I have audio, and since it has open and close tag, I have audio. So I have audio. Then the source. What's the source of the audio? Then I have src. Then I have equal to. It has a quote that would pop on once you just put the equal to. Now let's see the name of the audio file I want to include. The name of the audio file is just same as what audio. So I go back to it and I put audio. Can you see it come out? Audio.mp3. Then I have my audio.mp3. Then the next one is for me to put the type. Once I include the type, I put a equal to sign. Then I know that it's going to be audio/mp3. You could also have other versions of your audio. Just put the type and the source name and also the type. They just include it as such. Then you're good to go. So with this, let me run this, and you see what it turns out to be. Then I can close. Can you see my source now? I have closed the source. So this is what I have. Now some persons, what they do at times is that they will include a backspace here also. A backspace. So even if you include or you don't include the backspace, it will still run because source is also self-closing. So I have that. Let me refresh this page, and you see it pop up. Where is it? Okay, let me go back and check. It should be after the picture. Okay, let's see. It should actually run with or without that. Okay, let me see. Maybe I have not completed the audio. Okay, let me add the control button, prevention, the control. Let me see also. After adding the control button, I should also have a, let's say, autoplay. Let me include the autoplay. Let me include it. Let me save this, and let's see how it would display. Let's see. Okay, beautiful. Now look at it. Look at it. This is the audio. Without the control button, it will not display. So when I just play, you see it pop up. You see the mute button and so on there. Then I can still go back to this point, and I can still include I can still include muted. So if the song does, if you run the page in place of it playing automatically, it will just come out muted. Yes, it's come out muted. So it's something that we can actually work on also. So it works as such, and that's how to include your audio. Also, let me leave this at this. Let me come here and let's work on the video now. Let's work on the video. Let's see what the result of the video would be. Still the same concept. Let's say we have a video, we close, it is self-closing, so you have video. Then we can put in the source also, just like what we did the other time. We can put in the source. Then we have src. What's the source of the video? I think it's still video also, .mp4. okay, that's correct, video.mp4. I have video.mp4. then I put the type. Let me see, type. I put equal to, you see it come out also as video slash mp4. You see it come out as video slash mp4. Then I can close this now. Let's see. Now I have this. Let's see what it will give us. Although the control here, I can still put equal to with the spaces. There is nothing there. I can still put equal to with a space. Then for the autoplay, I can also put equal to with a space therein. So let's add a BR tag, a break tag, so that it will not be on the same line. So let's see. Let's refresh. Now can you see that's the video? Yes, this is the video. But because of there is no control therein, so the play, stop and stuff like that is yet to pop up. So let's now include the attributes now for videos. So for the videos, we can put controls. With the equal to tag. After controls, we can put preload, so that the video will load first before getting into the main play. We can also put autoplay. I think I have mixed. Okay, autoplay. Can put autoplay. So can you see? Also we can now put width. The width of the video, let's say 600. Also the height of the video, let's say we also have another 600. We have another 600 on that. Then let's run this and let's see. So refreshing this now. Can you see it has been reduced? Can you see the play button? Can you see it? Yes.
Hello.
Can you see
Hello.
it?
Hello. How are you?
I was just playing around with that when I just made the video, so you can see it as such. This is it. Preload and all stuff like that. Then within this video tag also, I can still include muted. Yes, I can still include muted. So let's include muted. Into it, and you see it as this. So when you refresh, you see what muted will do. Can you see? Can you see? Yes, this is what muted will do. And to sum it all up, we can include poster. Now, the poster is just like you saying you have a picture that would be displayed, that should be displayed as with reference to the preload and the autoplay. So in place of autoplay, it will display that picture first. You get it will display that picture first, and the picture should also be in your folder. So let's say since I have HBD in my folder, I can just include it, and once I include it, let me save it. I can remove this preload. You see this preload and autoplay, I can take it off. Let me take it off. Let me save. Then let's see how it would run. Let's see how it will run. Can you see it? So this is the poster. This is what it would display. This is what it will display first. Then when I play, it will now go to the main video. Yes, that is how it works. So that is what poster, that is what it does, and that is a perfect function of what poster can really do. So if I have poster there, I don't need the preload, and I don't need the autoplay, because I need it to go through a precise trend first before getting into where I want it to be. So that is how it is, and based on what we've done so far, I think we are good to go. So we're going to be meeting in the next class, and God bless you all.